I don't know, y'all, like I really like this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this butterfly look that I have here. Now this look is very easy. It's very simple to do. You only need two things. That's a crochet needle and the water wave hair. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this look. Now I did use the Zuri Water Wave hair in a 22-inch. If you wanna go longer, you can definitely get the faux lock crochets and just extend them in at the top. Twist all the way down, but I did not have time for that. I just wanted a short look today anyway. So I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think down below, and let's get into this look. Okay guys, like I said, you'll only need two things to do this: a crochet needle and the water wave hair. I'm going to take the crochet needle underneath my braid, latch on that water wave hair, and pull only one side through. So notice I have a short side and a long side. You want to keep that short side attached like to your actual hair so that you can kind of gauge how long the lock is actually going to be. So when you start, only twist it, a few times. Don't do it too hard or too tight, should I say, because then you'll create a lock that's just kind of standing up and sticking out. So do it semi-tight and then twist it around about 4 times, and then you can start to go loose as you get further down. Now I will start to twist the hair around my index finger. If you see where my index finger is placed now, about a few more wraparounds, I'm going to place my index finger there and then wrap the hair around that index finger just to kind of give it a distressed look. So right here is where I do that, and I'll probably twist it around 2 or 3 times, and then I'll go back to twisting it just a little bit tighter, and that just gives you like a very butterfly look, should I say. And then once I do that, I'll do it all the way down. I'll have a little bit of hair left over once I get to the end of my braid, and then I'll just start to twist that hair right back up. So I'm going to speed it up now and twist it all the way down and back up, and then I'll show you guys one more lock after that's done. final look. I really hope this video was a great help. If it wasn't, go ahead and comment down below any comments or concerns you have, and I'll be sure to reach back out to you guys. Overall, this hairstyle I believe took me about an hour and a half to do. I can braid my hair really quickly, so it took about an hour and a half to 2 hours maybe. Again, this is very convenient, very light. I really like it. It's a great go-to protective style. So if you guys have any concerns, questions, comments, if you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. Like I said, let me know what you guys are thinking. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.